everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. If you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, and if you are new to my channel or you're just knowing about my existence, thank you as well for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my eyebrow. On a normal day, I like wearing my eyebrow really thick, yes, but at times I go for the really natural look. I just do my brow very light. I don't make it thick, or I don't put that much effort in it. I don't clean up and do all those good stuff, you know. But in today's video, I'll be showing you a detailed tutorial of how I do my eyebrow. So yeah, if that sounds like something you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. I know doing eyebrows can be really difficult, especially if you have little to no hair on your brows like me. So guys, I'll just be showing you a really simple and easy technique as to how you can achieve really nice, beautiful brows. Okay, the first thing you want to make sure of is that your brow pencil is well sharpened. I love using this. As you can see, it is almost done, and I love using this as well. This is the Davis. These are the Davis brow pencils. This one is in the shade 18, and this is it. This is the color, and this is in the shade number 3. That is the color. So the darker one here is the number 3 Davis pencil, while this one is the number 18. So it depends on how you want your brows to look. You can do either the number 18 pencil or the number 3. As for me, I love using the number 3 brow pencil, and I love using this as well. Whenever I want to achieve that natural brows, I love going in with this number 18 because it is light. As you can see, this is the 18. It is light, not as dark as this number 3. But if I want that bold look, that bold brow, I usually reach for the number 3, and this is the one we'll be using today. So this is the first thing I do. I put powder because I have oily skin, so I just put powder to mattify my brows. So after doing that, the next thing I do, like, this is crazy, but this is what I do. I raise my brow up and I mark where I want my arch to be. Just doing this roughly. Okay, I don't want it to be there. You see, it's just like a rough walk. Just there, and there. So you can as well do this so as to know where to start. And here, I want my brows to start from here and here. You can adjust this as you go. There are no formulas for applying your brows. These are just guidelines that help me personally to get a good and nice brow. So I'll just start from the bottom part. Start from the front like this. You know, raising my brows, and I'm not doing just one straight line. I'm making the line in strokes. And then I move to the top part. then I'll just start to fill in the inside of the brow with my brow pencil. I'm kind of heavy-handed with this, especially this tail part. I like it really dark. From here, I'll just start stroking it out, making like strokes. As you can see, when I was outlining my brows, I started from here, but the upper part I didn't start from here. I started like from here. You don't want your eyebrow to be too harsh or have that boxy shape. So that is that. I'll go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. So this is when I'll apply my tinted brow mascara. This is not a must. So for cleaning up, I usually use a pencil that looks a brush that looks like this. It's kind of rounded at the top. For these parts, I'll use a lighter shade of concealer. I use this concealer for highlight, and then I'll use, for the upper parts, I'll just use my foundation. This is the time for you to get the sharp, nice, precise brow. I'll put my, let me wipe this off. I'll just put a little bit of my adhesive glue at the back of my pen like that. Can you guys see the difference? Can you see the difference? This one compared to this one. Can you see the big difference? That's the importance of cleaning up. I'll do the same thing to the other brow and get back to you guys. Whenever I'm wearing makeup, this is what I go for, and it really suits my face. Whenever I raise my brow, it's not as if my arch is here and the brow pencil I did is here. I try to mimic my natural brow shape, but this is not a natural brow. This is thick. This is a bold brow. Even if you are going for a bold brow, that doesn't mean you should do something very different from your natural brow shape. As you can see, raising my brow up, this is where my natural arch is, and that is where I've placed my arch. So yeah, that's it. And this is what I will do even if I'm going for a natural look. It's just that I will use a lighter pencil and make it softer, and you know, yeah, I won't make it that dark and thick like this one. So yeah, but this is the exact shape that I will still go for even if I'm making it very light. So yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and also share with family and friends. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.